Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get more FPS in Fortnite Process Lasso. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To increase FPS in Fortnite using Process Lasso, follow these steps. Begin by opening Process Lasso. Now, in Process Lasso, scroll through the list of processes to find Fortnite Client Win64X or similar. This is the process associated with Fortnite. Right-click on Fortnite Win64X and navigate to CPU priority. Select Always and choose the highest priority available, usually real-time or high. This will allocate more CPU resources to Fortnite, potentially improving FPS. Still within the context menu of Fortnite Client Win64X, navigate to CPU Affinity. Ensure that all CPU cores are selected. This allows Fortnite to utilize all available CPU cores, maximizing performance. Now, launch Fortnite and observe any improvements in FPS. Monitor FPS using the in-game or third-party tools to assess the impact of the changes made in Process Lasso. By optimizing CPU priority, affinity, power profile, and excluding Fortnite from Pro Balance in Process Lasso, you can potentially increase FPS and improve overall performance in Fortnite. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.